Welcome to our LVT flooring installation guide. Today, we're diving straight into the satisfying fitting process of stick-down luxury vinyl tiles. But first, it's crucial to start with a perfectly leveled surface. We've already completed the self-leveling process, ensuring a smooth and even foundation. You can check out that video linked in the description down below. With the floor prepped and adhesive applied, we can now begin placing the tiles. This is where the magic happens. Tile is meticulously aligned, creating a flawless, seamless finish. The beauty of stick-down LVT is in its precision. The result speaks for itself. Now watch as the room transforms, tile by tile, into a sleek and modern space. The process is as satisfying to watch as it is to complete. And there you have it, a perfectly installed LVT floor that not only looks stunning, but is also built to last. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more flooring tips and ideas.